Hi, I'm Jessica Grace and welcome to the first episode of Season 2 Pulse Television. This week, Jane chats to Hugo Armstrong about the upcoming Detroit Rocks Music Festival at the Showgrounds on the March long weekend in Geelong. We check out the Beer Fest, look at a converted church, go to Surf World in Torquay, then Nick Barker plays a tune for us. First up, here's Jane.
I'm Jane Thomas for Pulse Television, and here we are at the Geelong Showgrounds, the site of the upcoming Motor City Music Festival. And with me today is Hugo Armstrong, the brains trust behind the festival. Would that be fair to say, Hugo?
Maybe the inspiration, I'm not sure about the brains, but good to see you and welcome to the beautiful Showgrounds and what will be the site of Geelong's first dedicated music festival.
Yeah, now tell us all about the festival. What's the inspiration behind it? Why are you running this festival?
Well, I guess some people might know I ran Queenscliff Music Festival for 8 years, a long time ago. This year is 20 years of my other business, the Blues Train, and we really wanted to do a Blues Train music festival.
But what can actually people expect, because it's happening over the March long weekend? What are they going to see when they come down here to the Showgrounds?
Well, we've tried to do something different because there are a lot of festivals out there, and what we've done is done 3 similar but different days. So there's 4 stages of blues music celebrating 20 years of the Blues Train. All the stars of the Blues Train, from Jeff Atchison, Jimmy Hocking, Lloyd Spiegel, the list goes on. There's about 20 acts from that, and they're in and around this precinct. But behind me on the Southern Cross main stage, which is aptly titled, if you can't work out why, that's the largest windmill in the Southern Hemisphere, restored and relocated from the Finesford Quarry by the McCann family. Out here on the beautiful lawns of the picnic park, we thought that we'd do something a little bit different, and I really wanted to do a rock festival as well, because blues and rock go together. Little Creatures are doing a beer hall with us. Bogues are doing big bars out here, also Scotchman's Hill wines and also some of our local wines. But one of the things I've done is brought in some really unique food. So, you know, there's traditional food from people like the Rotary Club and some community groups, but also I've brought down a guy who won the gold ribbon at the Melbourne show for the best exhibit out of everything, called Jack the Ribber. So this is your smoked American brisket. He's down 3 days before to start smoking those bad boys. And just around me in the corner, we've got everything from your tacos and all the great international food. So the Friday night's going to be a big sort of roots and rock festival. The Saturday, we're going to do the first ever in the history of Australia dedicated tribute stage, because I want to do a tribute to rock and roll. And so we've got some amazing tribute shows. So they're fully costumed tribute shows. The Pearl Show, the Janis Joplin Show, Shed Zeppelin, Guns N' Roses show, the Australian Queen Show, the Doors Show, Kiss Destroyer and Thunderstruck. And I mean, Kiss Destroyer finishing off the Saturday night, it's going to be huge. And then on Sunday, once again, we've got the 4 stages of our blues acts. We're doing a huge family day, opening up with the Glitter Gang here on the main stage. Rick Price will be down, Jason Singh playing the hits of Taxi Ride, also Daryl Braithwaite, Shantuzzi's, Boom Crash Opera. It's going to be a huge day. And right through the festival, we've got a big retro carnival, markets and all the stuff. So there's a little bit of a feel of the night market, a bit of a feel of the Geelong show. And then on Sunday night, because the next day's a public holiday, 8:45, we're going to have the largest fireworks display the Showgrounds has seen out here on the main arena for everyone to wind it all up.
So how do people find out about it?
Straight to the website, and also if you go on our Facebook page, there's been some code words up, and if you'd like to get some cheap tickets, all you have to do is go to any Ticket Tech outlet, Geelong Performing Arts, any concierge desk at any Westfield, or Ticket Tech online. And if you'd like to use the code word MCMF for Motor City Music Festival, you can have tickets up to 50% off for all viewers of this great show.
This sounds like an amazing festival for Geelong, so thank you so much for chatting to us today, Hugo. And back to you in the studio.
Hi, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Paul from Brooklyn Blue.
And we're going to play a new track of ours called Left Alone. You can catch us at the Geelong Motor City Music Festival, March 7th, 8th and 9th.
you showed your face here. Now you're back, you got a new replacement. So you got a new sense of taste here. Have you moved on? Turn it up, you're not fooling me, boy. I'm happy for you and I'll show you my joy. But I can see you're not the real McCoy. Ooh, are you having me on? 'Cause I know you too well. When you put me through hell, you just got to be real. No, said I know you too well. But you see, when everything is gone, will you be left alone? Mama told me not to waste my time on little boys that can make up their mind. Oh, I should've listened, but you're so damn fine. You're no good for me. Turn it up, you're not fooling me, boy. I'm happy for you and I'll show you my joy. But I can see you're not the real McCoy. Ooh, are you having me on? Yeah, 'cause I know you too well. When you put me through hell, you just got to be real. No, said I know you too well. But you see, when everything is gone, will you be left alone? Oh, when everything is gone, will you be left alone? There's no excuse for the man that I see. My heart's not for sale, my soul's not for free. I pretend that I'm at ease, but you're not fooling me. No, 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 'cause you're no good for me.